This is Kiel, guys. Waiting for our guest. Waiting for Jung and the other one, Priya. They're over there taking picture. Baik, lu kan. Ya, dem ada. Boy, dem ya. Huh? Now we are going to the boat. This is a train station.
Picture kasi kami ni Thor.
Where?
Gani sa outfit. Lang masama ko na. Diyan ako friend. Norwegian or German ba ini?
Oh. Say hello to your boyfriend.
Hello! Hello, Nigo.
You're okay now?
I'm okay na, tita.
No more problem?
Kasi magkasuka-suka na sa mini pag-abot ng barko maglaong
No. May tagway pa. Atlantic Ocean. Yan, pwede pa picture ko din niya.
Oh, Mrs. Ano? Kumusta?
Busog na, busog. Nag-tour sa Kiel. Germany.
Wait lang.
With my visitor from Philippines.
Philippines. Mayroon man sa dito restaurant pero
Ha?
it's raining here. A bit raining, you know. This morning it was raining and now the weather is okay. Now we are going to the cruise deck. We have a guest. They are taking pictures. So guys, shout out to all of you. Ama sila.
Tipak yung misis. Isa, dua, talo.
Walo.
Yung panizong-zong. Pakyaw man.
Yan man ako kay Bay na may ano doon. Nag-grocery kami guys. Nag-grocery. We're waiting for the lights. Green lights. Ha? Yeah. Where? We're going back to the cruise.
Ako man ang buwan, ang color line Christina line.
Ha?
Pag ang color line.
Yeah.